Hello students of Standard 5th. Welcome to Dairy Public School online session of Social Science. We already finished the all lessons. Today we just take a revision of two lessons. First is importance of family and second is human migration. Students, we just going on the revisions of first lesson, importance of family. Family is the greatest gift of nature. Look at the picture. Nuclear family versus joint family system. In India, two types of family. One, nuclear family and joint family. Students, we just create a bond from the family members and connect the love and kinship. The child learns everything by watching and imitating the family members. It may be how to speak, walk and behave. The child also learns to overcome challenge, solve problems and make decisions. It is important that the grown-up members of the family practice the value and actions that they want their children to learn. Students, we know already about the family because we live in a family members from the strong bond. See, this is the create some things we just share and create a strong bond of family members. Means family system, family traditions, care and appreciation, family likes and dislikes, family support, participation in family activities are role model. Family system. The family system works like a chain. The elder help the child to grow up into a good human beings. In turn, the children provide support to elder in times of need. They also follow the family's values and traditions. So, students, this is a family system. Elder can help the children and children also take moral values and very important some things learned from the elder one. So both are the importance in family. Family traditions. We just support of the family traditions and one values create and one place to create family traditions. Each family follows certain customs and traditions. They are the activities that occur regularly and hold special meaning of that families. They are an excellent way of teaching values like respect for our elders, caring and sharing, helping others and passing the family heritage to the future generation. So these traditions we just pass out one generation to the next generation. Cares and appreciation. Students, one another are the real strength of a family means the care and appreciation. This is the foundation of our family. If we do not have the care and appreciation to each others, so we never the special bond and the strong bond from the family members. The interaction gives them opportunity to remain in close contact, develop harmony and understanding from the cares and appreciation. Family likes and dislikes. Students, each and every family members, we just know the likes and dislikes because these, the household chores are connected with the concern, the all things from the family members. Just like the important things we share, the responsibilities also and elder ones give the some responsibility to children and children also have the same responsibilities to create some values and moral ethics from the family members to elder one. Family support. Student, what happened when a family members face a problem? Do we stand by him or her? Of course, our family gives the support in time of emergency. It helps the sufferer to overcome the difficulties. Participation in family activities. Any family functions, family festivals or any kind of the occasions, we just participate in each and every activities because we have the one root of the any family tree. So participation is most important for the strong bond. Our role model. Students, family members tell the children about great responsibility, personalities. So these did some messages it gives be in a form of story narration, gifting books to children by or visiting monuments, museums, etc. There may be some family members whom you admire for their personality, special talent, contribution to society, or affectionate nature. The special members may be a tall uncle or cousins who paints your father, who is a runner, a grandmothers who writes the stories, or an aunt with long, silky hairs. Any role model we just in front of are the so family members. These all are the role model. So students, these all things is important for the strong bond. Next lesson is human migration. Students, do you know the migration? Yes, migration means some persons move one place to another place. That is called the migration. The systematic movement means the migration. So human migration. Why it is the create this scenario one place to another place? Why man move one place to another place and leave the homes? Some reasons behind that, which the settled life began only after the man become a food producers. For the food gathering also they migrate one place to another place. Students, migration have the two types of migrations. One is voluntary and forced migration. Voluntary migration is when people move to another place on their own wish, choice. It may be for better job, education opportunities, or to be close to their family and friends in another village, town, city, state, or country. And second one is a forced migration. Yes, student, forced migration is the movement of person, family, or large group of people due to the natural calamities, disaster like flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. Sometimes people are forced to migrate due to man-made disaster like fire, drought, or territories attack. Terrorist attack activities it result in the loss of homes and jobs for many peoples. There are the two types of forced migration, natural disaster and man-made disaster. Students, flood were caused by heavy rains and overflowing. This is a natural disaster, and man-made disaster means the fire and drought, yeah, terrorist activities. That is called a man-made disaster. Now the time of assignment. You just solve these questions in your notebook. Write the following questions. Write the three types of migration. Second one, why is it important to have good communication with your parents? Third one, difference between nuclear family and joint family. And fourth is, write the two types of forced migration. So students, just solve these questions in your notebook. Write the answer properly. Thank you and have a nice day.